On today's episode, we're going to be doing another project video. This time around, we're going to be changing the battery on my gaming laptop. It's the MSI LEOPARD, and the parts and the process is quite similar amongst laptops, so you can use this as a little bit of a reference guide. So the issue that I was having is the battery wasn't lasting that long, and then all of a sudden, the moment you unplug the power, it goes out completely, like so. And so today I'm going to be demonstrating the process of replacing the battery. If you're a returning viewer coming from the boat tour videos that I've done, I've just brought a drone because I want to make better content for you. If you're coming from the car videos, my MOT is in next month, which means I need to get the car up to a certain standard for it to pass. So I'll be doing car week, so I'll be doing a lot of different processes. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, feel free to subscribe. If you do find this video helpful, then please like the video. Let me share with you what's in the box because it comes with a range of tools to help you out on the project. Inside the box you get the tools, so you get a torque screw and you get a Phillips. You get a little stick to help you open up and a little plectrum to get into the sides. Comes in an anti-static bag. Now we want to be prepared, so I've got the tools set aside, and we also need to remove any of the cables or USBs in place. Now this laptop is a couple of years old and it goes on road shows with me, goes to the boat and everything, so it is heavily used. I did open it yesterday just to make sure that the battery was the correct one that they sent, but we'll just open it up now. So we've got 12 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then there's one underneath a warranty label here, which is the factory seal. So I've peeled that away and there's one underneath there. So a good idea is to lay them out the way that you got them. So this is the top row, middle, and then the bottom. And then the special one is just there. This way you ensure the screws are all the same size. Now we want to take the laptop apart, so it's just held on with some plastic clips now. So where you want to look for the seam is where the colours are different. So although it's black, it's a different kind of shine and finish. So this is more of a textured versus the smoother side. So my laptop has already been damaged on the side here from carrying it around. So the seam's already broken a little bit for me. But what you do is to kind of get in to the side, you use the plectrum. And then you just kind of start prying it open and just finding the clips, and then you keep going, making your way around and just figuring out where the seam is. So let me get on with that and let me show you. While the laptop is in parts, you may as well give it a clean. So you can see here I've got some fans here which need cleaning with the dust there, and then you've got the battery here. So what we want to do here is check the voltage of the battery. So this one is 15.2, and if we go down to where the new battery is, it is also 15.2 volts. This one is slightly higher capacity at 95 watts, and this one is 65 watts. So this is actually an upgraded battery. I'm placing it over, it's the same holes, same cables. So if we look at the colors, so we have 3 red, green, green, yellow, yellow, white, white, blue, blue, 3 blacks, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're also going to clean this up as well, and on the other side to help with the heat. And then if you wanted to upgrade the RAM, so the RAM on this one is just underneath here. So if you did want to replace the RAM at the same time, it's a good idea to do so, or upgrade it. So I've got 16 gigabytes. I could do with a little bit more, but we're going with what we got. To clean the fans, I'm just using a regular vacuum cleaner with the hose attachment. Prior to the hose attachment, I double checked any screws and wires around the area just to make sure nothing was loose. So what we want to do is just slide this down. And then we want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll just check the battery to make sure there's no kind of clips or anything, or how it kind of slides in. So we'll just lift it up like so. And then place it back in. With the new battery in place, it's time to replace the 5 screws. For the battery, what I'll do is I'll research the top 10 most popular makes and models of laptops, and I'll put those batteries in the description below at no extra cost to you. There'll be Amazon links for you. The power cable that came with this battery was slightly longer than my original one, so I had to slide it over just a little bit, but I'm just placing in the plastic tab now into the port. So you can see with the case, there's nothing really that clips on and holds it in place. Just mostly the clips kind of at the front for marry up. Same with the back, just the little clips here. So let me spin that around for you. Just open up the front to make sure the front is aligned. So these are separate. See the line which you would use the plectrum to get through. Check the back. Now it's just a case of putting the screws back in, and then for me using some more electrical tape to hold it together. Screws are all in, so it's the moment of truth, so let's go and switch this on. If you're a frequent watcher of the channel, then you'll know that my Blue Yeti power station is great. 69 watts, so we are charging on the laptop 230 volts. At home, this powers 2 laptops, 3 phones and a TV with cable, plus a barista machine, air fryer and stuff like that. And it's plugged into 3 large solar panels propped up against the fence, and that's how we power downstairs throughout the summer. 3 kilowatts of power on the solar for those who are interested. It's a moment of truth, so let's switch it on. So I've left it for about 20 minutes just to charge, and now let's press on. Let's load it up. If you're wondering what this is, it's a cooling fan rack. So I've been having problems with the laptop overheating. You can see there's quite a lot of dust in there, but it has helped ever since I've been playing Grand Theft Auto. The laptop's been overheating, it's been stuttering. We're all switched on, you can see the video's playing, and we're on 81%, so it is charging. It says that it's going to be ready in 42 minutes. There's the old battery just here. But yeah, so it's looking pretty good. So I guess a moment of truth now. Is it going to stay on? And it is fantastic. So it's all working now, so the job only took maybe 10-15 minutes to do, so fairly straightforward. If you did find the video helpful, if you give it a like, welcome if you do end up subscribing. So as I said, I'll be doing Car Week, where I'm doing a lot of different projects on the vehicle to get it through its MOT, and then I'll be going back to the boats to film a few more boat projects. I'll be using my drone this time, so it's new to me. I've just started a second channel doing product review videos. It's going to be more towards content creation and also kind of outdoor living, whether it's Blue Yeti power stations, a ferry, that type of stuff. So if you're interested in that, I'll put the link in the description below. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for being fans. Thanks for sticking around and liking the video if you have. Welcome back if you're a subscriber, and welcome if you are new. The links for any of the products that I've used in the video are in the description below, but you've got the QR code at the top at no extra cost to you. But thanks for watching. Thanks for being fans.